In order to make cycling and walking essential parts of a city's mobility culture, it is vital to already start promoting them in primary schools, and ideally, even earlier. Walking to school, either alone or in groups, is a completely normal activity for many children in Europe. The benefits are many. Children are physically active, they gain experience of travelling in traffic, and learn how to find their own way to school. Their parents are not obliged to play the role of taxi driver for their kids, and the environment benefits from lower emissions, whilst fewer cars in front of schools lead to fewer accidents. However, even though these benefits are many and obvious, there is a trend in certain countries to drive children to school. Safety and security, accidents and so-called stranger danger are the main arguments that parents give us as to why they don't allow their children to walk or cycle to school. As one way of halting the trend, so-called walking buses have been organised in many countries across Europe. A walking bus is an organised form of getting to school on foot. Many organisations across Europe have planned and implemented walking buses. The Energy Agency of La Ribera in Spain and the Centre for Health and Development in Murska Sobota, Slovenia, are two such organisers. Another, the French environmental organisation Prioritaire, is the driving force behind walking buses, or pedibus, as they are called here in Haute-Savoie, where in two rural areas, walking buses have been successfully implemented. A first step is the planning of safe routes. Children who live in the same area should join the group at certain bus stops. Together with the parents, these routes and stops are selected and marked. To ensure permanent operation of the walking bus, its organisation is handed over to a coordinator among the parents once the test phase has been finalised successfully. At least 2 adults accompany the pupils. Like in a real bus, a driver leads and a conductor is at the end of the group. And like a real bus, the walking bus has a fixed route with bus stops and a timetable which indicates when it picks up children. The accompanying adults supervise the children, especially when they have to cross streets. If only one supervisor is available, then he or she takes up the rear and places the most responsible child at the front. Supervisors are role models for the children on their way to school.
Disons que moi je le faisais déjà avec mes enfants toute seule, donc là pour les enfants c'est plus sympa, ils sont en groupe. Et le lundi j'accompagne et le vendredi je laisse mes enfants au pédibus, donc ça me permet d'aller travailler plus tôt, donc c'est donnant-donnant et c'est très bien pour tout le monde.
Other mums are also pleased with the walking bus.
Alors en fait au départ on était avec 2 mamans, on est parti donc du Crêt de Charvano à 1 km de l'école et on se relayait une après l'autre pour emmener les enfants de l'une et les enfants de l'autre. Et on a trouvé ça très sympa, les enfants ont commencé à mieux se connaître. Nous avec l'autre maman aussi, on a commencé à créer des liens qui étaient vraiment sympas. Et puis au fur et à mesure, il y a d'autres mamans qui sont venues se greffer au projet. Et on a voulu rendre ce projet-là officiel parce qu'on trouvait ça intéressant que ça grossisse. Et puis d'avoir des partenariats aussi avec l'école, avec la mairie.
Mais en fait, les enfants, ils vivent au quotidien, quand on fait le pédibus, une expérience de découverte de la nature, une expérience de découverte de l'environnement, des liens aussi entre eux. Et par exemple, ce matin, on a eu la découverte d'une petite souris qui était morte décapitée sur la route. Donc, ils ont pu observer la souris. Il y a des vers de terre les jours de pluie. Donc, c'est une découverte en permanence.
Why do politicians support the walking bus? We ask the mayor of Poissy.
Donc c'est à partir de cette expérience et de cette opération qui est importante de 520 logements au Crêt de Charvano, il était important de relier aux écoles et aux centres cet ensemble pour des raisons de sécurité. Mais comme on l'a fait dans différentes opérations, on a toujours essayé de dissocier le cheminement piéton du trottoir.
What about reactions and feedback of the population?
Alors, d'une manière générale, quand les choses vont bien, on ne vient pas me voir. Mais plus je vais dire, Oui, effectivement, j'ai beaucoup de retours, notamment par le directeur de l'école, qui m'a fait part donc, de la satisfaction des parents d'avoir ce type d'accès sécurisé aux écoles. C'est une réelle satisfaction.
What is the most important hint that the organiser could give to others who also want to implement a walking bus? We ask Yenel Carton from Prioritaire.
La chose la plus importante, en fait, je pense que c'est vraiment la motivation des parents au départ. Parce que sinon, le pédibus va pas perdurer. Donc vraiment avoir un bon groupe de parents et après tout le reste, ça en découle.
Another walking bus has been organised in Collin-Salève. The idea and operation is the same. Children meet at defined bus stops and walk together to school accompanied by parents. Also here, the organisers are enthusiastic about the idea.
At the beginning of the Pedibus 1 year ago, we had 30 children participating with parents, with many parents, and now we have just a few children with the parents, and the other children are going to school alone. So they are autonomous, but they make a group every day.
But the most important thing is that the pupils like this way of going to school. Do you like the walking bus?
Apart from the walking bus, there are a number of other successful and easy to implement school activities, such as the traffic snake game, that have been played in many schools all over Europe for several years now. Within Active Access, the traffic snake game was successfully implemented in Murska Sobota, Slovenia. In addition, videos were played at parents' evenings to highlight the traffic situation outside the school each morning. At this point, parents often realise for the first time that they themselves contribute to the safety problem at the school by dropping their children off by car.